Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to fix the repost option not showing on TikTok application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. Now first thing first, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now there are different ways of fixing the repost option on TikTok application. Now first of all, open the Play Store application. So right on top there you can see a search bar, so enter TikTok. Now you must be wondering what is the purpose of Play Store application. Now in case if you haven't updated your TikTok application, so you can update your TikTok application. Here you can see that I have already updated my TikTok application to the latest version. Now in case if you haven't updated your TikTok application to the latest version, now this might be one of the reasons why the repost option might not be showing on the TikTok application. Now on the second option, what you have to do is simply open the settings application. Now from here what you have to do is tap on apps and notification. Now what you have to do is tap on TikTok. So on the other page you will land inside the app info. So from here you need to tap on storage, which is on the third step. So next what you have to do is clear all data. Now the final step is just go back to your home page. Now on the home page what you have to do is open TikTok application and then log in. So now on the home page what you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon, which is right in the bottom on the right side. Now next on the other page you will land inside the profile information. Now on this particular page what you have to do is tap on the 3 dash icon, which is on the upper right corner. Now as soon as I tap on the 3 dash icon, down there you can see a pop-up window. Now from here you have to tap on settings and privacy. So next page you have to tap on privacy, which is on the second option. Now on the privacy page what you have to do is just scroll down and then look for the repost option. Now in case if you don't find the repost option, like I already mentioned before, that there might be some problem with your device or your account, or there might be some restriction within your country or your region. Now these kind of features are available in some countries, whereas these kind of features are not available in some other countries. Now these were the various methods on how to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Now that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. In case the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.